Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see how to make chili parotta at home with very simple ingredients. Come on, let's get started. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons oil. Once oil heated, add 2 finely chopped parottas and mix until it gets roasted. For this recipe, I have been chopped 2 medium-sized onion and 2 green chilies. With this, I have been added 4 tablespoons tomato puree. Now add our chopped veggies in a pan and mix well until onion becomes transparent. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste with tomato puree and mix continuously. Once our veggies been roasted, add 2 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala and half teaspoon coriander powder. Now add 2 tablespoon tomato ketchup with 1 tablespoon soya sauce. If needed, you can add 1 or 2 eggs with it, or else you can skip this process. Now everything is been ready, you can add salt according to your taste. At last, add our chili parottas and turn off the flame. It's been ready. Have been served our chili parotta in a banana leaf with 1 tablespoon mayo. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel Chiga's Lifestyle. Thank you for watching.